Immunology is important because every day we encounter countless microbes. Most of them are harmless, but others can cause diseases, and it's our immune system that works to protect us.
Our immune system is important to combat infection and keep us healthy. However, sometimes it can malfunction and cause autoimmunity. That's why it's important to study immunology to help us understand these problems and find best ways to tackle them.
But immunology isn't just about an individual's health and medicine. It affects the whole community and even the world with impact on public health. So, the more we understand how the immune system works, the better we can fight disease and improve human and global health.
To celebrate the Day of Immunology, we are hosting a scientific meeting organized by the newly formed Young Portuguese Society for Immunology group. This will feature presentations from young researchers in development, infection, neuroimmunology, autoimmunity, and tumor immunology. This meeting will act as a platform for scientific exchange, bringing together the Portuguese immunology community to foster collaboration between everyone.